Bring your fucking shit. I'll break my tail off in your ass.
It's a wee little kitty.
If you throw that fucking ball once more, I'm gonna bite your fucking bollocks, you fucking twat. And while we're on subject, you can get your own fucking paper and carry that bastard home. And I'm gonna fucking shit all over fucking carpet next time, you fucking tosspot.
Hello.
Alright. What are you doing?